Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry soufflé. First, prepare your ramekins by generously buttering them and then coating the insides with granulated sugar. Next, blend fresh or thawed frozen strawberries into a smooth puree. Finally, you'll create a rich pastry cream base, which forms the delicious foundation of your soufflé, ensuring a delightful flavor. The key to a light soufflé is the meringue. Whip your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks, ensuring they are stable. Then, gently fold this airy meringue into your prepared strawberry base. This step is crucial. Avoid overmixing at all costs, as it will deflate the mixture and prevent your soufflé from rising beautifully. Now for the baking. Place your prepared soufflés into a preheated oven at 375 degrees F. It's vital not to open the oven door during the baking process, as this can cause your soufflés to collapse. Once golden and risen, remove them promptly. Serve your magnificent strawberry soufflés immediately, perhaps with a delicate dusting of powdered sugar. For consistent success, always ensure your ingredients, especially the eggs, are at room temperature. Also, use a perfectly clean, grease-free bowl when whipping egg whites to guarantee maximum volume. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your delicious homemade strawberry soufflé.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.